Hello, this is HK Math, and I would like to review a problem that comes up a lot in Algebra 1. And what we're going to do in this problem is we're going to draw a line that passes through a given point with a given slope. So we have been given two conditions, a point on the line and the inclination or the slope of the line. We are going to use a virtual manipulative that is developed by the Utah State University, and it's part of their National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. So I am going to go in here and I am going to hit next problem, and I'm going to see what the conditions are. Draw a line that passes through the point -1, 4 and has a slope of 2 divided by 5 by clicking on 2 points. And we know that 2 points determine a line. It says change a point by clicking and dragging it. I'm not sure what that means, the need to change a point. But anyway, let's practice and see what happens. And you can practice at home by using the trial version, a free trial version of this particular manipulative. Go to HTTP and then it's NLVM, standing for National Library of Virtual Manipulatives, .usu.edu. And there are a bunch of manipulatives available, and you are looking for the line plotter. All right. And by the way, that should be in the, I think it's called the 6 to 12 grade level, or either it's the 8 to 12. Now, let's find first the point -1, 4, where here is our origin. This line is our x-axis, and the line perpendicular to it here forms the y-axis. And again, they intersect at the origin. We want to move to a -1 on the x-axis, and we want to go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we plot our point. That's point 1. Now we need to find out, how does this line slope? What is its inclination? How does it slant? So there are a number of lines that can go through -1, 4. In fact, there's an infinite number. But if we can meet these conditions, that is 2/5, we're saying that it rises 2 units and it runs 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have the inclination. We can check our answer, and it says you got it. Good job. Let's try another point. And by the way, there's a feature here that will show the grid values, so we can see that this is the origin. We can see that we went over a -1 and up 4. Let's try another problem. This time we want to draw a line that passes through a -4, a -2. So we know that we are on the x-axis. We are moving to a -4, and then we're going to move down 2. So we have our point, but how does the line slant? The slope tells us how it slants, and there is, I learned it back in the day, we said slope is the rise divided by the run. So a negative 4, 1, notice it's not rising because it's negative. And then it's running 2 in the positive direction. There we go. And we can check our answer. And wonderful. We have the correct answer. Now, we need to be able to determine the equation of that line. And even more important is this line would represent some type or model some type of problem. Wonder what this line would model. But we do know that there would be a constant rate of decline for every x that we go up. There is a decline. See, a negative 6 plotted to a negative 2, but a negative 5 plots to 0. So the y values are steadily declining. This is a line with negative slope, with the y values steadily declining. And that is it for this particular session. I hope that it helped you somehow with your understanding of points and slopes and lines in Algebra 1. And I thank the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives for helping to make this a little bit easier to see. Bye.